Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. As the background of this picture will suggest, we're going to be discussing power in this tutorial, specifically battery power for your Windows 10 device. So in the event that your battery is draining very frequently and it seems like you're unable to conserve a lot of power and have an extended battery life, this tutorial will be for you guys. So we're going to jump right into it here by heading over to Start menu, and I'm going to type in troubleshooting here. Should have control panel listed directly underneath, so just left click on that. So now in this new troubleshooting window, left click on the view all button on the left side here. Now about in the middle of this page there's a power selection, so double click on that, and we see in this new dialog window that appears, this will find and fix problems with your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. Left click on next here. So this will begin scanning to see if there's any issues detected with our battery. We can see that no changes or updates were necessary. Hopefully in your guys' case there will be something listed here if there is in fact a problem. You can always left click on view detailed information at the bottom left here to get a little bit more information, and it'll give you specifics as to what was scanned for, what was detected, and so forth. And I figure since I'm using a desktop computer, I'm not going to experience the same kind of issue as a laptop or tablet would. But I thought I would still make a brief tutorial just showing you guys a quick utility to run. It definitely doesn't cost anything and it's definitely safe, so it's worth a shot. So I hope this brief tutorial did fix your guys' problems, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.